Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Toni-Anne, if it's your first time here, and welcome to another episode of Dream in Colour. It is exactly 11:49 and I've decided to film a video, so if you want to see what I come up with, then just continue watching. You can see that I started the other eye, but just to play safe and avoid what happened in my first Dream in Colour video, make sure they look the same, I'm going to do parts on and off camera, so I'll have both eyes done by the time we finish with this. So what I did, instead of using my NYX base, because this palette doesn't like it for some reason, I went in with my Rimmel Wake Me Up concealer in Ivory and just applied that as the base. I do have my brow concealer underneath it as well. Okay, so the first colour I go in with is the pink. Nope, that's wrong. I go in with the purple first and literally take the tiniest amount, and I'm just blending it out. As soon as I put it down, I want to get it down like a soft layer and then build up the purple afterwards. Now I'm going into the pink, and if I didn't say what palette I'm using the Warrior No. 3 by Juvia's Place. I literally am getting as much as I can on the brush and building up this pink and blend it into the initial purple colour as well. Now go back into the purple and start blending that into the pink. I'm doing it like this because the purple itself is so pigmented that if I laid it down to its true pigment, I would struggle to blend it out. It's always easier to go in small and then gradually build up, and you get a much better blend that way. If anyone ever told you blending was a quick exercise, it's not. They lied. Back into the pink. Back into the brush that I did the purple on. I didn't add any more colour. Okay, now that I'm happy with the pigment of the purple, I'm now going to take a little bit more of the pink. I'm now going to take a bit more of the purple and blend it up higher into the pink. And back in with the pink. Not adding any extra, just blending out the edge. Okay, I'm now gonna cut the crease. That's why I said it didn't really matter too much how this part went. I'm going to use the same Rimmel concealer I used for the base, and make sure you apply it evenly on the brush as well. Do the stamping method and you get even distribution of the product, and then you just tap it in. Then we start with the purple at the end, stamping and applying it to the lid in like a sort of triangular shape. Then we go into the pink, and the key with blending on your lid is just layering and just constantly going back and forth and correcting. Okay, and then the next colour is the orange. And every colour I'm putting on the lid, I'm tapping on as well. Going back into the pink. I'm tapping it in as well because the base is still wet, so it will stick down. Okay, and then finally the yellow at the top. This is the most dusty shade in the palette, so I'm gonna take a while to get this on. And this is not the right brush either, so that doesn't help. This colour makes me feel like I'm stabbing my eye. I'm just trying to get it on. I'm going to go back into the orange. I didn't put anything else on the brush. I'm just blending it in the middle of the two colours there. I feel like I lost it a little bit. And I'll go back into the pink, not getting anything else on the brush either. And then finally into the purple, just blending out the side a little bit. Okay, and then finally I'm going to put some eyeliner on. I'm using the Barry M Eye Definer Liquid Eyeliner. It's a bit faded, but I'm sure it's called Aqua. A bit on the thicker side so that you can still see it when I put the lashes on. And then for the little bit of liner I put at the top, what I do is I apply it just a little bit higher than where the cut crease is. I actually did the one on camera better. Okay, I'm going to put my lash on off camera and then come back. Okay, the lashes I have on are the D16 from the Prima Lash Vault that I have. From here is that one that's missing. Okay, onto skin. Alright, I'm back all moisturized. I was gonna speed through this part, but I'm gonna use different things for once. So starting with foundation, I'm using the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 in Chestnut, it's number 13. I don't remember this foundation being so full coverage, but okay. I'm gonna go in with my face powder by Black Opal in dark, because I remember this foundation likes to slip and slide, even though I'm not gonna be wearing it for that long. But yeah. Like literally setting my whole face. Okay, for concealer. For concealer, I'm going to use my LA Girl concealer in Fawn. Right. I remember this dries down very quickly. I'm just going to blend out the outer corners of it. I'm just going to blend it out. I don't know why I said that. We hurry up and set this. I was going to colour correct, but this concealer is full enough that I don't need to do it. Banana powder. Covered myself in powder. What's next? Okay, I'm going to contour. Say warm it up on your arm, so that's what I did. I'm going to use a BO3 brush to blend it out on my nose. It's like a flat brush like that. This is strong. Real Technique sponge. Okay, I think I made it look a little bit muddy, but I get my face powder and just carve out underneath that area. Yeah, I think that's a lot better. I'm gonna go back in with the brush and continue blending it. And then to set that contour down, I'm just gonna go in with Cocoa Naughty all over the areas I contoured. Okay, what's next? Seeing as I can't think of one, I'll just use my Dusk Till Dawn blush. Come on. This highlight I definitely haven't used in a very long time, so I'm a little bit scared. My under eyes look flawless though. Okay, so for highlight, hopefully I don't ruin the look with it. I'm using Sangria Sunset and Mimosa Sunrise, and I'm going to use the purple one as a highlight. Start at the back here. What I may just use, I may use the orange one for my nose. I like it. I'll set first and then we'll do lips. Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Feeling experimental today, I guess. So I'm going to my Pure Velours box by Zoeva. I don't know which one to use. I'm thinking maybe the more pink one, like that one. Obviously with my liner. So I'm going to line my lips with Chocolate by LA Girl, Faint of Heart. I'm going to build up the chocolate around the corners. I'll add a little bit more. I think I like that. I need to do my under eye. I know I always forget to do it, and I did forget. That's why I'm doing it so late. But yeah, one more. Okay, so for the under eye, I'm going to just keep it simple and go in with the purple. At the front, going with the pink. Okay, so here is the final look. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and come back next time to see what I come up with in the next episode of Dream in Color. I will see you guys next time. Bye!